Hello everyone, welcome to Albus Videos, and today we're talking about the OnePlus Open. Is it worth the price? Let's find out. So, what are the good things? The OnePlus Open is an impressive foldable phone in many ways. It's incredibly thin and light, making it one of the most portable foldable phones on the market. It also has a great format that feels like a normal phone when it's closed, and it has excellent multitasking support. And the bad? However, there are a few downsides to the OnePlus Open. First, it's not fully water resistant. This is a bit of a disappointment, as most other flagship phones these days offer water resistance. Second, the OnePlus Open doesn't have wireless charging. This is another feature that's becoming increasingly common in flagship phones. Oh, the price. And finally, the OnePlus Open is quite expensive. It's priced at $1,850 in the US market, which is more than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So, is the OnePlus Open worth the price? Ultimately, that's up to you to decide. If you're looking for the most portable foldable phone with great multitasking support, then the OnePlus Open is a great option. However, if you're looking for a foldable phone with full water resistance, wireless charging, and a lower price tag, then there are other options available. So, what do you think? Is the OnePlus Open worth the price? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to show your love by hitting that like button, subscribing to Albus Videos for more tech updates, and be sure to ring that notification bell so you never miss our future content.